Hello, today I'm going to show you all the different functionality of this smart door lock that we just purchased. Let me start with the sensor, the unlocking it using the thumbprint sensor. First of all, it's locked. Try this. There you go. Now the second one that I'm going to show you is unlocking the door using the key. Open this little keyhole door and use your key. Unlock it. And there you go. Unlock. Now let's lock it again. Close this up. Lock it again. Now it's locked. And the next thing we're gonna do is try it with your key fob. Now the key fob, you just place again. It's locked. Place the key fob right in the middle of those sensor pad, and then it just unlocks it just like that. And the last feature that I'm gonna show you is unlocking it using your password or passcode. Okay, now it's locked. Unlock. And there you go. And to lock, you simply always plug in. And that's one of my favorite features right there. It's just easy locking the function. And there you go, folks. That's how easy it is to unlock this smart door lock. To install it would take about between 10 and 15 minutes, pre-drilled holes, and